Hey, it's me Denise. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, what I will show you is some of the best way on how to organize your small bag. And be sure to stick up until the end of the video for some basic essentials that you need to bring on your everyday bag and its prices. So if you want more videos like this, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to be updated. And let's get started in 3, 2, 1. Step 1. You need to list everything that you need to bring on your everyday bag. Aside from that, ilista nyo din yung mga kailangan nyo for every occasions like school, events, parties. Ilista nyo na para ready kayo at wala kayong makalimutan. Step 2. Use organizers to store your stuffs. Step 3. Arrange items vertically, also known as KonMari method, para mas madaling kunin at makita kung ano yung laman ng bag. For the items naman po inside my bag, first is itong Bench So in Love 100 ml perfume or body spray. Second po ay itong Sigloka mini wallet. Another advice po is, if magwa-wallet kayo at maliit lang na bag yung gagamitin nyo, use a small wallet na hindi masyadong bulky. Tingnan na may storage ng coins. cards, storage ng coins, cards, and cash. Para pwede nyo dalhin kahit gaano kalaki yung bag nyo. Small wallet, a must-have. Extra mass. Phone. Organizer for some of your daily stuffs like efficacent oil roll-on 6 ml. Ito po. Extra scrunchie. Nivea Peach Shine Lip Balm. Evervilena lipstick and the shade of Toast of New York. Next is SM Bonus Mini Wipes. And lastly is a small mirror. Next naman po ay itong pencil case organizer pero iba yung laman. Ito po, konti lang naman po siya. Like pen, earpods. Nabili ko po ito sa Shopee. Ganito po. And syempre, Bluetooth shutter. And ito naman pong isa is naka-store po sa loob ng bag. As you can see, nilagay ko po siya sa parang bracelet para madali siya makuha. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more videos like this. And thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye for now.